Amethyst is a purple variety of quartz and has been used for thousands of years for adornment and healing, and is most well known for its calming and tranquil energies. The name comes from the Greek word amethystos, meaning not intoxicated, and was traditionally believed to prevent the wearer from drunkenness. In the modern day, we use amethyst as an aid to conquer addictions, as well as to relieve insomnia and anxiety. It connects deeply with the crown and third eye chakras and is the premier crystal for meditation and spiritual attunement. Amethyst is found worldwide in many types and colors. Most common are the natural rough geodes and points, while polished generators show off the deeper beauty of amethyst, revealing rainbows and phantom lines. Auralite 23 and Super 7 are supercharged forms of amethyst, containing minerals such as rutile, coaxinite, lepidocrosite, and goethite. Pink amethyst is a new variety from Argentina. The pink color comes from a higher iron content and has a more nurturing vibration. Chevron amethyst is a banded combination of amethyst and white quartz. Prasiolite is the name for green amethyst, whose color comes from heating either in the earth or artificially. Prasiolite resonates at the heart chakra and is known as the stone of transformation. And amagreen is a combination of amethyst and prasiolite with plentiful color and rainbows. Find these treasures and more on our app or website.